Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about we need to find the point to make sure that is the farthest from the point 26 number 4 negative 13. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that this one that is about the sphere, and we know the center of this one. I will put about C, that is about 0, 0 and 0 in here, because the formula of the sphere that should be about s minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2 plus z minus c to the power of 2 equal to r squared. And the center that should be about a, b, c. So in this situation, we don't have a, b, c. That's why we have center equal to 0, 0 and 0 in here. Now, the next one. We put the point 8, that is about 26, number 4 and negative 13. Now we need to find vector AC, CA. So that should be about 26 minus number 0 from here. Number 4 minus 0 and negative 13 minus 0 in here. So we have 26, number 4 and negative 13. The next one we can use about parameterization. So in this situation, I will put about s, y and z equals to a, t, b, t and c, t. So a, b, c, that is about a in here, b in here and c in here. So because this line go to point C, so that means I will choose about both C in here. That's about 0, 0 and 0. And now we got S, Y, Z equals to 26t, 4t and negative 13t. Now I will draw the diagram in here. This is about the sphere. So the center that's in here, and that's about C, A somewhere in here. So we just find the parameterization of the line. So A go to C, and we know that this line will go through the sphere. So we will have 2 points in here. For example, they will in here and 1 point in here. So the question, they want to find the farthest from the point. So the point we need to find, that is about this one. So we have x, y, z equals to this one. And we know that we have this equation in here. So I will put this one to change for x, y, and z. And now we have like this. So we calculate about this one, and we have 861 t squared equals to 8100. Now we need to divide both sides by 861, and we have 2700 over 287. Next, we put the square root for the both sides. So we have 30 with the square root of number 3 over the square root of 287, and t equals to negative with this number in here. Now in this situation we have two t's, and we put this one go back in here. So in this situation we have point B number 1. So I will put t go in here, and we have 780 with the square root of number 3 over the square root of 287. The next one we have 120 with the square root of number 3 over the square root of 287. And the next one negative 390 with the square root of number 3 over the square root of 287. And B number 2, that is about like this. So we want to figure out which point should be selected. So in this situation we have A. So A, that is about this one. Now we need to find the length of AB number 1 and AB number 2. So we need to find vector AB number 1 and AB number 2. So we use B number 1 minus value of A, that is about 26. Similar for this one, minus number 4. And the last one, this one, minus negative number 13. We have positive number 13. So we can find the magnitude of AB number 1. So we have the square root. So I will put this one go in here to the power of 2. Plus this one to the power of 2 plus this one to the power of 2 so we calculate about this one and we have approximate 60.66. Now you can do the same technique from AB number 1 for AB number 2. This one will be 119.34. So if we try to minus this value to this value in here, we can see that the difference both of them is about 58.68. However, the radius of this one, that is about 90. 90 is greater than this one. That means the point A in here, that is inside the sphere. So somewhere in here. So that means we need to find A is the farthest in here. We need to find this point farthest from 8, and that is about B number 2. B number 2, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.